Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs on Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here to add GIFs is that you want to go into your online store. And from here, we will be going for customize. Click on customize. And now the next thing is you will now be prompted here. So from here, let's say we want to add a GIF right here. So first, let's get our GIF. So we're going to go into giphy.com. And from here, we're just going to go for buy GIFs right here. So let's say I'm going to go for maybe this one. I think I like this. So I'm going to click on this one, and you want to click on this option right here, says embed. So you want to click on that and click on copy code. And now the next thing, when you go back here, you want to go click here on add a block or add section, wherever you would want to put your GIF. So in my case, I want to put it in between here. So I'm going to click on add section, and I'm going to go with liquid right here. So I'm going to go for find a liquid, which is this one, custom liquid. Click on that. And now it should be prompted right here. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply paste the code right here and click and save. And then you should be seeing the GIF right here. As you can see, it is now right here. And basically, you can just put this anywhere. You can even go for here, add section, and you want to go for liquid again. For liquid right here, custom liquid. And then you want to go for paste this right here again on the liquid code. And then there you have it. You now have your GIF here on your Shopify store. And then you can just customize the padding, the positioning, and so on right here. So now let's say that you want to put GIF on your product page. So how will you do that? So you need to click here on products and go into the products that you want to add a GIF. So example is this one right here on my example t-shirt. And then from here, I want to add some text first. So let's say this is the best product ever. Maybe something like that. And then after that, you want to click here on show HTML. And then from here, you basically just want to paste the code right there. Paste that and hit on save. And for some reason, this won't work if you only have the GIF right here. You have to put some text. I don't know why, but it's just how it works. So when I go back into online store, and from here, I'm going to go and preview my store right here, preview. And I'm going to go to that product, catalog, and product. And you should be seeing that GIF right here with your description. So that is basically how you can put it in your product page. So now that you know how you can do it, you can basically put it in any page of your store. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.